Hello peoples. Today we are going to be doing a little recap of 3 of my many favorite plants and one that just needs a lot of help. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But first, let me show you my t-shirt. I am also a horror fan and I just wanted to show this shirt off. It was a gift, so I don't know where it came from, but I love this. Okay, back to the task at hand. Okay, in no order of importance, we have this nice Nepenthes Ventricosa. So far it has 2 pictures on it. 2 pictures on it and a lot of little baby ones coming in. And I have a new leaf coming in here too, if you can see that. I just love carnivorous plants. I do. I also have a couple more. I have a Drosera capensis, and of course I have a Venus flytrap that kind of died on me, so I'm going to have to retry that later. Anywho, I have this in perlite and peat moss, no, perlite and sphagnum moss, and I just keep it moist, and it's been growing pretty well. Now, the one thing I will say is that I don't have a lot of pictures, but I got a lot of baby ones just coming in, so hopefully we have more to show on an update. Okay, next one's up. My Pilea Moon Valley. I love this. This texture I'm just obsessed with. I just walk by it and just have to touch it. And if you can hear it, if you can hear that, that is the texture. And then we have the bottom of the leaf, which is pretty. And I just love it. I'm just obsessed with the texture. I also decorated this pot myself. I just had a white pot and some brown paint, got a plastic bag, sprayed it with the paint, and then just dabbed it on. And so I kind of like the consistency. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I know, it's beautiful. Okay, and third we have my Syngonium. I don't know if this is a white butterfly or a holly. I get mixed reviews even when I research it, but it's beautiful. It's super easy to take care of, and it can tolerate me forgetting to water it, which makes it my friend. My very, very close friends. It's growing very quickly. I have both the Pilea Moon Valley and this plant in medium light, straight across from an east-facing window. And my Nepenthes is actually in my tank, which I keep saying I'm going to do a tank tour because that's kind of how I got into plants. That's actually in a tank downstairs under some grow lights with a couple of succulents and some other carnivorous plants. So, back to this. I just have these in 50% black gold soil and perlite. 50%, 50%, just fine. I don't spray my plants anymore, but either ways, it seems like it's super happy. I mean, like, look at this leaf. Look at that. That is pretty. That is nice. And I love it. I actually want to get more Syngoniums, because I just think they're nice, and because they're so easy and they grow so smoothly and quickly, I kind of have to have some more. I don't know which ones, but if you have any ideas, let me know. Okay, so now for the plant that I need help with, let me just grab it right quick. This is my black pagoda lipstick plant. Do you see this pattern? Do you see it? Come on, focus. Do you see this pattern here? It's a beautiful, beautiful plant, or at least it was. Now it's just cute. Now it's just cute. I've lost a lot of branches. They just turned brown and died. I did realize I needed to water it more often, like instead of every 7 days, every 5 or 4 days. I checked the roots. It's not root bound. It's just, I guess it's just thirsty. I keep the room it's in at 60% humidity, It's in an east-facing window, hanging on the side of the wall. I don't know what else to do to it. But look at this. My poor black pagoda. My poor, it was so full. If I can remember, I'm going to post a picture of what it used to look like. But if you have any tips whatsoever, any ideas as to what I can do, I heard that these were pretty easy to take care of, but not for me for some reason. The only thing I can think of is I know there was a setback because I didn't water it enough. But if you have any tips, I am all open because I want it to be back beautiful and big and trailing. Okay, that's it for us today. Until next time, everybody stay cool. Laters.